Hey there! So, OKX and Signal Plus are teaming up for a trading competition, and one luckiest trader can win 19,400 USDT. Even if you're not the winner, you can still earn hundreds of USDT with ease, no complicated strategies needed. The ranking system is simple. The only factor considered is trading volume, whether you're trading as an individual or as part of a team. Let's check out my real-time position. This strategy helped me to earn some coins. At the same time, I still have a great chance to win the prize. Don't forget to join the team, Skywalker, so we can win the team prize too. By reaching 5th place, if we only have 3 qualified members, except the team leader, the other 2 members will share 70% of 2,700 USDT each. Now, you might be thinking, I need a lot of Bitcoins or USDT/USDC to reach a high trading volume. But guess what? You don't. I'm here to show you how to increase your trading volume without spending a single penny. That's right, you can get a decent return using this simple arbitrage strategy. First things first, you need to link your Bybit and OKX account to Signal Plus. Just follow Signal Plus instructions to create an API and link it to your account. Once that's done, you'll see your 2 accounts here. Here's the trick. Bybit usually has more sellers, so the mark price at Bybit is normally lower than at OKX. This creates an opportunity for arbitrage. We just buy on Bybit and sell on OKX. Let's use 28,000 call options on June 23rd as an example. Bybit offers a lower premium to buy while OKX offers a higher premium to sell. We place orders at both of them. The risk is actually hedged and we can take the profit of the arbitrage safely. To avoid trading fees, we wait for the settlement instead of closing our trades manually. After your order is fully filled at OKX, we place another buy order at 0.0005, which is the minimum price we can set. This helps you close your options a little earlier than the settlement hour, while also doubling your trading volume at a low cost. I made a spreadsheet to explain the different scenarios. To reach different tiers of trading volume, we just need to adapt our strategy by combining it with call spread and put spread strategies, as I explained in my previous video. The platform is still new, so there aren't many participants yet. Check out the number of views on my video, and you'll see that very few people know the secret trick. If everyone trades like me, we all have a huge chance of winning the prize. Crypto options are a niche market that's expected to grow in the coming months. It's better to learn something in advance, and it'll also help you enhance your win rate on futures since options provide more data to base your trades on. Some professional trading tools charge a lot for data and charts, but everything is free at Signal Plus. Don't miss out! I'm Jimena, and I hope this video helps you with your trading. Don't forget to subscribe for more options trading tips.